I'm Varsha. Currently, I am shepherding this project called Dakni Diaries. Lovely to come back to JD. The whole idea of taking this workshop was to introduce students to this community called Kurubas and very unique and special breed called Dakni sheep. This is the only black sheep in India which has a wool, specifically in the south of India. We are working with the community and with this wool and this craft, which is the traditional craft of the community, trying to revive this and conserve it in the Deccan Plateau. I also introduced them to this technique we are using, which is the needle felting and the wet felting technique for this wool. I think the students enjoyed it. Thank you for hosting me to take this workshop, and I'm looking forward to take few more workshops on the process of this beautiful fiber, the Dakni wool, specifically for the students to develop some new products and work directly with the community. Thank you.